Alright, so let's do an example here. J is taking 2 books along on her holiday vacation with the probability 0.5 she will like the first book, and with probability 0.4 she will like the second book, and with probability 0.3 she will like both books. What's the probability that she likes neither book? What's the probability that she likes neither of the books? Okay, so once again, we have a person who is taking 2 books to read on her holiday vacation. We are saying there are 2 books, so book 1 and book 2. The probability that she will like book 1 is 0.5. The probability that she is going to like book 2 is 0.4. And the probability that she's going to like both book 1 and book 2 is 0.3. The question is, what's the probability that she likes neither book 1 nor book 2? Okay. Is the question clear to everybody? Okay, so let's label some of the events. So I am going to let, in order to answer this, let me use blue. Let B1 be the event that J likes book 1. Okay, and also let B2 be the event that J likes book 2. Okay. What is given in the problem? What's the probability of the event B1? 0.5, yeah. So it is given that the probability of B1 is 0.5. What's the probability of B2? What's the probability of B2? Point. And what other probability is given? The probability of B1 and B2, right, is what? 0.3. Okay, so what do we need to know though? We need to find the probability of what? The probability of the event that she likes neither of the 2 books, right? So we want to find the probability that she doesn't like book 1 and she doesn't like book 2, right? Isn't that what we need to find? We need to find the probability that she doesn't like book 1 and she doesn't like book 2. Okay, so how do I find that? The first thing I need to do is apply De Morgan's law. Remember, De Morgan's law says this is the same as the intersection of B1 complement and B2 complement is the same as B1 union B2 complement, right? That's by De Morgan's law. Okay? And so now, what is the probability of something complement? What's the probability of A complement? It's 1 minus the probability of A, right? So this could be written as 1 minus the probability of B1 union B2, right? Are we okay? Okay, what is the probability of B1 union B2? Well, we have just proven that the probability of B1 union B2 is the probability of B1 plus the probability of B2 minus the probability of B1 intersect B2. And we have just looked at that result. So now we just plug in our numbers, right? So this is 1 minus, we know that this is 0.5 plus 0.4 minus 0.3. And what is that equal to? .4. Okay.